Folks, I don't know about you, but this one really pissed me off. It was just brought down that Cesar Goodson, the driver of the van where Freddie Gray was critically injured, has been found not guilty of all charges as far as the police department is concerned. Now, folks, enough is enough. And I pretty much thought that they were going to give this guy a light slap on the wrist, but hell, he didn't even get that. So basically, all of the officers involved were basically found either not guilty by a judge, or juries hung, or the police department, internal affairs, basically gave Mr. Goodson a walk. So the family did receive $7.3 million, and I guess they're not going to really jump up and down. But we as a people need to jump up and down, because basically what they're saying is Freddie Gray killed himself. Nobody is being held responsible for this man as far as his death is concerned. And that is a bunch of bullshit. So they're basically saying that Mr. Gray got into a van and basically killed himself. And there is no way in hell that I'm going to accept that. Folks, we, again, need to get out there and do what we did this past Tuesday and vote. And when we vote, we need to get people in place. That's both mayors, city councils, and yes, police chiefs, and people of good conscience in position to give us justice. The criminal justice system is skewed radically against us, so that no matter what a police officer does to a person of color, and specifically a black man in this country, neither the system, both executive and judicial, can find it in their sense of morality to convict or place blame on a police officer, especially if he's white. Now, the caveat here is the two police officers down in Louisiana received swift justice. One of them in the death of a child, where they were pursuing, I guess, a convicted felon for whatever reason they were pursuing him, and I guess used their weapons, killing the child in the car. One of them got 20 years, and the second one got 40 years. The difference here is both of those gentlemen or individuals were black. But you are hard-pressed to find justice when it comes to a white police officer committing a crime against a black citizen. Again, we got a good victory this past Tuesday as far as getting people elected that we would only hope would be more even-handed, fair-minded as far as justice is concerned. But we need to get more prosecutors, more judges, more city council people, more mayors and governors in place that are fair-minded. And I have to say it, we're probably only going to find those people within the Democratic Party. So take a page out of this past Tuesday's book. When there's an election, carry your black asses, Hispanic asses, and even white asses down there to vote for justice. Vote for your own self-interests. Vote for your pocketbooks. Don't go for the okie doke as far as what the Republican Party is putting out there, because bottom line is, sooner or later, it's going to come back to bite you all in the ass if you don't invest a little bit of time in order to protect your ass.